Princess Ramos, and I'll be your host. And we are now here in World Trade Center for this year's 2017 Manila International Auto Show. Let's go! Oh my God! Look what's behind me! The new Honda Civic 2017. So, sir, can you tell us what is something special sa bagong Honda Civic?
Civic Type R has only 100 units supposedly to be sold locally, but it's not yet sure sa ngayon. So, yun, about price, not yet to be discussed further pa po.
I'm with Ma'am Hazel. So, tingnan natin yung mga variant, kung ano yung variant meron. Ford EcoSport. EcoSport.
At the Manila International Auto Show, and we're featuring several new models. We have the new variants of the Chevrolet Trailblazer, it's the LEX, the Chevrolet Colorado LEX. We just unveiled the new tracks, next generation tracks, and more importantly, we just launched the new car. Alright, so yesterday, we launched the all-new Creta, which is a challenger in the subcompact SUV segment, and we also bring into the country Genesis G90, which is going to be a game changer in the luxury segment.
Well, this is our new AMG GTS. It has the new engine, the V8 4-liter, 510 horsepower engine. It's a new release, so we're showcasing it here at MIAS today.
So nakita natin, napakaganda, di ba? I think I'm in love with this car. Ayun, thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Maraming salamat. Oh my God! I'm with Sir James of CNN. Hi, sir. Good afternoon.
Hi, good afternoon.
I just have a simple question for you.
Okay.
What are you doing here in MIAS?
Well, I am hosting the stunt show of Russ Swift. That's why I'm in a little bit of a uniform. They have a world-class stunt show at the back where he performs amazing stunts. So I do a 1 o'clock, a 3 o'clock, and a 5 o'clock show every single day.
It's my pleasure to meet you, sir.
You
Thank you
too.
so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hi! We are here in Top Gear Philippines Hub. And I'm with Sir Jeff, ang pinaka-pogi kong nakita kayong araw. O, di ba? Tama, agree?
Agree.
Siyempre, agree kami dalawa. Okay. Sir, can you tell us something about what's new for this year's 2017?
Well, basically, Top Gear is yung display natin is about adventure. It's about outdoor adventure. That's why we have the Ford Ranger that's fitted with mud terrain tires from Black Rhino and Sabira tires. Of course, ano yan, dinesign ni ating custom.
Ah, yes.
Tapos, and we have the Ford FS here, fitted with hitch ropes na nag-carry ng Ducati 999 panigat.
Galing! Grabe! Kita niyo yun? Ang lalaki ng gulong, di ba? Parang pwede akong mapisa. Thank you, Sir Jeff! Nice meeting you! Okay, I'm with Sir Justine. Hi, sir. Good afternoon.
Hello. Good afternoon.
So, what's in here? What is this all about?
So, as you know, yung partner natin, si Blade, ay nagbebenta na ng Tamiya sa mga stores nila.
Oh, yes.
So, tama-tama lang na ngayong car show, nagbebenta rin tayo ng Tamiya products. And yung maganda ngayon, binigyan tayo ng space sa Manila International Auto Show to have a display and also a mini 4-wheel drive race. So, that's the truck behind me. Ito yung mga iba-ibang models na available sa Blade. Unang-una, meron tayo yung mga scale models ng kotse. So, iba-iba. May Porsche, may Ferrari, may Mercedes-Benz, may Lexus. At of course, yung alam ng lahat sa Pilipinas, yung mini 4-wheel drive.
Yes, yung mini
Alam niyo ba na yung Tamiya gawa sa Philippines?
Really?
Almost 90% gawa sa Cebu.
Wow, galing talaga ng mga taga Cebu, no?
Yes. So, there you have it. Tamiya, now available at Great Auto Center.
Yes, syempre.
Ah,
So,
tara.
bili na tayo. Tara, let's doon.
Karera na.
So, ayan, tapos na. Thank you for having me here. And of course, thank you sa Blade. And see you next year. And I am your host, Princess Ramos.
Feeling like the night is young. Everybody's time will come.